Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Now before us is this question. It says, due to friction, a force of 400 Newton is needed to drag a wooden crate across a smooth floor. Now the rope tied to the crate is held at an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. How much tension is needed in the rope to move the crate? Now what work is done if the crate is dragged? Now let us horizontal ground. Now here is the crate, and a force of 400 Newton. Okay, and to this end, we are told that the rope tied to the crate is held at an angle. So let's say this is the rope, and 60. Now, and I say due to friction, so I do just put that one. Here you have the frictional force acting opposite, and here is the tension, right, on the rope, or rather in the rope. Okay, so now if you take a look at this triangle, that's this tension. Here you have the tension, we have the force, we have the what? Angle. Now the relationship between the force, the angle, and the tension. You see, this is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. So here you have cos theta, then equals adjacent all over hypotenuse. So to this end, adjacent is cos theta, that is 60. Then adjacent, that is the force. Then all over hypotenuse, the tension. So to this end, making the tension the sort of relation, we have that T will now be equals to force all over cos 60, and that will be 400, and cos 60 should be 0.5. okay, and that's the same thing as 1 over 2 to give us 400 divided by 1 over 2. Then here you have 400 times 2 giving us 800 Newton. Now for number 2, what work is done if the crate is dragged 25 meters? Alright, now for work, which is what, force times distance. So to this end, our work here, then the force is what, 400 times 25. Okay, alright, so there we have 400 times 25. 4 times 25 will give us that will be 1000. No, that will be 100. Then the remaining 0, 1, 0. So here you have 1 times 10 to the power 4 joules. Alright, thank you and God bless you.